Everyone laughed at her. Even her teacher smiled. "Why are you talking to yourself?" they asked. But 3 months later, no one was laughing because she was the best speaker in the class. And she did it with one crazy trick. Her name was Amina. She wanted to speak English fluently, not just pass exams, not just understand videos. She wanted to speak without fear. But every time she opened her mouth, her mind went blank. Her heart beat fast. Her face became hot. And the words disappeared. She knew grammar. She knew vocabulary. But when it was time to speak, nothing came out. Have you ever felt that? One day, something embarrassing happened. The teacher asked her a simple question. "What did you do yesterday?" Easy question. Very easy. But Amina froze. Her classmates waited. The room was silent. She tried to speak, but only one broken sentence came out. Everyone looked at her. Some students laughed quietly. That night, she cried. Not because of the question, but because she felt stuck. She felt small. She felt like, maybe, she would never be fluent. That night, she made a strange decision. She stopped trying to practice English. And she started doing something crazy. She started talking to herself. Out loud. Every day. In her room. While cooking. While walking. While cleaning. She described everything she was doing. I am cutting onions. The knife is sharp. I feel tired today. She even argued with herself. She asked questions. Then she answered them. At first, it felt stupid. Very stupid. She felt embarrassed. What if someone heard her? What if her family thought she was crazy? But she continued. Every day.
No breaks. No excuses.
After 1 week, something small changed. Her mouth moved faster. After 2 weeks, something bigger changed. She didn't need to translate in her head. After 1 month, she noticed something powerful. She was thinking in English. Not always, but sometimes. And that scared her, because she realized something. She had been waiting for confidence. But confidence only came after action, not before. 3 months later, the teacher asked her again. What did you do yesterday? This time, she didn't freeze.
She didn't panic.
She smiled. And she spoke. Not perfectly, but naturally. The sentences came smoothly. Her classmates were silent again. But this time, not because she failed, because she surprised them. The crazy trick was simple. She stopped waiting for someone to talk to. And she became her own speaking partner. No pressure.
No judgment.
No fear. Just practice. Every single day. Most learners are afraid of looking stupid. But staying silent is more dangerous. Because silence becomes a habit. And habits decide your future. Amina looked silly for a few weeks. But she became fluent for life. So, here's the question. Are you brave enough to look a little crazy for 3 months? Or will you stay silent for 3 more years? If you want fluency, don't wait for confidence. Create it. And maybe
start talking to yourself today.